There's always pet hair in my home. When I first heard about the DEEBOT T50 Max Pro Omni, I think what really appealed to me was that it had this blast feature because it's really powerful for picking up things on all surfaces. The suction power is great, especially like biscuits or kitty litter, because often other vacuums don't pick up the little pellets, so I'm finding it really great using it that way. Having the animals is always a mess. Crumble will definitely pull out all her toys and leave them on the floor when I'm out. So the AIVI 3D technology I notice is great because it will not bump into these items and just go around it. Having the DEEBOT T50 Max Pro Omni makes having my pets more pleasurable because I can put it on and it does the job without me having to think about it. I can come home and then just enjoy my time with my animals.